What's up, guys? Just wake up. Still feel sleepy, but a Sunday morning, I'm gonna make some breakfast, So, what I'm gonna make for breakfast is ackee and saltfish with fried dumpling, fried breadfruit, and fried ripe plantain with some chocolate tea. So, I'll be still in a bed, so I'm gonna get breakfast ready now. And I want to know, I'm gonna link three link down in the comment section. I'm gonna link three link in the comment section, which is one of my cousin, my son, and my daughter, Obi daughter. So it is my daughter still. So I'm gonna link the video in the comment section. So you could follow them here, guys. So thank you all so much, and let's join us in breakfast in a few. What's up, guys? Dutch is in the building. Come over here, Duchess. Come over here. Dutch is in the building, guys. She come for breakfast.
Hey, y'all.
With our ackee and saltfish, fried dumpling, pear, plantain, and she brings some, what is it again, breadfruit. She brings some breadfruit congery, guys. So Dutch is in the building. Follow her on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Look for Duchess. She's doing big stuff over there. So let's bet our food.
So you never rush to start eat so this morning. Oh,
I'm hungry.
I'm so hungry. By the time.
Oh, y'all hungry, but if I didn't call,
Yeah, but me I tell them I wake up like, I wake up and say me I go get up like after 11. And then me get so, me feel tired, like I say, no, me don't feel like me fully awake, man. I'm gonna go back and me drop back asleep. Yeah, I don't feel like
For me, I couldn't breathe. Stuff there, I'm rub on some Vicks.
Yeah.
Vicks clear me up. That's when I get some sleep.
Not cold.
you went out last night? Well, all white? White and anything, I mean? How was it?
It lit for them, but it lame for me. Just did that. What?
Everything lame for you.
Yeah. We'll find a nap in my channel.
And I play the 90s and the 80s.
Yeah.
Them kind of music.
In the early
Then.
2000s.
Y'all need to throw, you and your brethren them need to throw a 80s, 90s party.
Yeah.
Right.
I said, me that go do it now. I go
Summer fever was that, and that would plan for summer fever.
Yeah. Y'all should keep a sound class.
Where?
Anywhere.
Where?
We'll figure that out. Just,
Places.
yeah,
Rent
y'all
place.
gonna figure it out. I've been trying to tell you to do that.
Rent
Yeah,
somewhere.
and I've been telling you to do a sound class.
Just rent somewhere.
Yeah.
The time comes here for the loan.
Okay. I got you. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all later.
Enjoy
Alright.
your lunch.
You eat breakfast already, not you?
Ooh,
You.
not really.
Oh, you just snack something.
Yeah.
I drink tea.
Yeah, I see. Later.
All right. Chef? Want breakfast? What, shut it. Dry right now.
You can come out up and
Yeah. Never saw it picking the bread on camera, so. Alright, guys. So, we're having, I think I said it before. Yeah, we did. Ackee and saltfish. Jamaican national dish. Fried dumpling. Breadfruit. Avocado. And plantain. Ripe plantain. And I must have say, I pay ackee and saltfish we eat with breakfast on Sunday. And callaloo. And cabbage. Sunday morning. Maybe a cup full of chocolate since we're on it, so. Okay, so today I drink out of M. Today I drink out of M. Okay, go so. M cup.
best breakfast, you know, best Sunday morning breakfast. I can saltfish and fried dumpling.
Number one breakfast. Okay, and saltfish.
Sunday morning breakfast.
Yeah, number one Sunday morning breakfast. I know I do a breakfast one morning and I think with one of my friends at Jamaica. Comment on it and say, when me ask what is the best Sunday morning bucker. Look, I say, when I say what is the best Sunday morning breakfast, and you say, okay, saltfish with fried dumpling. There you have it. The thing is, we have some breadfruit and plantain and avocado and mustard.
That even make it better.
And I tell you, and the dumpling and turn up, you know. Tell them about the dumpling turn up.
It's come from them shots. And you fry them still. A joke. We send for somebody from Jamaica for fry them.
Tell people that me truth.
Yeah, yeah. Fry dumpling, yeah. You can eat by themselves.
You don't need no ackee.
Come like a rice and peas. You need no gravy.
I mean, the fried dumpling really nice, you know. Back home, you know, me, I tell you, know. And then, long time I don't do it. Just back chop. You stop fried dumpling for a long time. Years. So sometimes you just kind of mess up and lose. But that's why there's a practice become perfect. See, once you start do it again and you start to remember your routine, you get it back together.
I'm like driving.
You see, if I not drive for a while, it's like when I jump in the car and go drive. You know?
No, but
I kind of feel like it's different.
it depends. If you have a car where you can drive anytime, it's just like you can drive and you have a driver's license. But you don't drive for years. You don't have a car, you don't get a car for drive, you know. And then eventually a driving opportunity come in, you know. And that's it, you know how to drive and you still remember how to drive, but you just kind of wash up. As soon as some people come back around in a matter of minutes. Some people don't take them. Some people take longer.
Right.
Some people from them sitting on the steering wheel, everything just come right back.
I come back, you know. Sometimes I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna drive for a little bit. I'm going to the car and I say, geez, feels strange. You know? I'm not going nowhere. I eat breakfast so late, guys. You say much food, and I eat dinner. Most time. I gotta eat for dinner. I have fish, rice, and peas for dinner, but that's after tomorrow. I eat breakfast so late, and I'm gonna eat the rice and peas later. Just eat it for snack.
You? About me?
You know,
Yeah,
eat
talk
nothing
to me
either.
too.
Yeah, because you're not gonna eat nothing either.
Because you say so?
Come and know you. Once you eat one good meal, you don't cater for that for it no more. But me too, I'm not really interested in that. When we eat something like when we have sweet potato pudding, when we eat a piece of pudding and maybe drink a cup of tea later. But you don't cater for rice and peas, you know, for today. Rice and peas and brown stew fish ready for dinner.
Come on with that.
Ta-da!
Start already.
When food good, food good.
Yeah, chop, you know. Very easy, you know.
The food just so nice.
You're not supposed to do it before me, you know. Yeah, man. Man supposed to don't eat before woman and pick.
Yeah, I can't take my head out of the plate.
Out of my plate too.
What that supposed to mean?
Oh.
Man's supposed to done.
I'm supposed to eat food fast.
Alright, you ever carry a girl out, right? And she don't want other food?
She don't want other food.
Yeah, she don't want it because she's tush. No?
Can't girl out anymore. She eat too much of diarrhea.
Remember, in one of my video when I talk say, if you ever eat, you never eat and get sick. And I say no. You eat already and get sick. When I tell her, you eat already and get sick, that you get sick with when you eat. People have diarrhea when they get sick. When they eat certain things and it now, that's it that.
No, I carry a girl out yet. And she don't want to eat because of shyness. Carry a girl out and them want to eat everything in the restaurant until them have diarrhea. I gotta drink all
Man,
5 sup with
man
Jenna.
always I say that. A Jamaican said they care to man.
Well, they want eat out the man. We go back to tell your friends, say, oh, you eat them out of me, eat them out of me, and them out.
Yeah, but like, you don't understand what me I say.
You understand us?
You do? Like this man, Okay. Not calling nobody name.
This man carry this woman out.
Man came out this man in Jamaica and she buy 2 plates of food and eat and him.
So order 2 plates of food.
So all I was to see like 4 and to eat. And then him come back, come scandal her. And I tell everybody.
So she ordered 2 plates of food. Order.
So I order how much in plate of food. Oh, she greedy. No. Look out somebody go eat. And they order. And you want to take it tell them? That make any sense? If I'm never beg you for care, I'm going away.
But in that case, I know. I think so. The woman I just feel appetite that are.
I should have do.
I should want this.
Should have got extra.
I should want make sure say making spend the money.
The woman order what she want. Me nothing say. We have nothing to do with no that.
I carry that woman and she had 2 plates of food. Whereas if she clear off the 2 of them. She clear off the first one. And she clear off the second one.
Oh, you wanna deal with that?
I pay the bill and everything alright. I mean not scandal her or nothing. She does not listen to me again.
Lie, I tell.
Why lie? I don't want no woman will overdo me. You understand? No woman, if me a smoke and a woman smoke, she don't smoke more than me. If me drink and she do take a drink, she don't drink more than me. She don't eat more food. She don't a woman must more. I encourage myself to cut down on certain things. Like, you know, stop worrying about drinking. You have enough now, man. Don't drink no more. She must encourage you upon them things, but
Really?
yeah.
Enough
That's
people
it.
do what they want, the massa.
Yeah, but man, that's why I must encourage. I must encourage myself. I mean, eat up a big plate of food and she see me I go for more. She said, she must encourage me to say, boy, yeah. Not to say for stop me to say, boy, I don't eat no more food, but you know, encourage me to say, boy. Depends on what I eat too. Because if I have meat, I'm not going to get any more.
Meat. I need some time for the week.
She can look and say, when I eat up so much meat for, you know, give her wise advice, you know.
You eat too
But
much.
she not supposed to have more than me. And me second with that. If me bad, no woman not supposed to bad on me.
What do you mean bad?
Like if
Yeah, warmonger.
I don't want no woman who will beat me up.
Somebody will beat you up.
You can't beat me up, that's right. I'm not fighting, so I'm not fighting on it. Yeah, but you know. No woman will grab me up and grab me too hard and all them way there.
I want no man to drape you up.
Yeah, you can't play, you know, like if I play, she drink me. But if me feel safe, if I feel like I can't drink me, I feel
Be
like,
aggressive.
yeah, I feel like I hurt me up so. With all that strength where
Man
look
strength.
like a man's strength. I'm gonna try again, I'm gonna notice that you have that power, you know? I say no. You go feel like a 2-man this.
Yeah, man for me.
Alright.
So me no man for you.
You?
Me ever man for you?
If me just allow you to do it, I just run
Me
through
never
and do
man
it.
for you.
Alright. I give him better.
No, you will go less so.
Right, can you man power me now?
No need to try.
Never man power you yet?
My mind bigger than you. My mind bigger than you in a body. But I soft like a baby body.
We talk to you all and you're bad.
Right.
I mean, no want no sauce for woman either. Maybe don't want no sauce.
Maybe
So
cry because he's not a rough person, he's a loving person. I'm not aggressive. So if you talk to me a certain way, maybe because sometimes, you know, it's just maybe me would I want to talk back to you a certain way, but because I try over the years to have self-control and not to just, you know, jump at everything way. Me try sometimes. Me just try not to make things escalate in a anger. Me try. And then now after anger me calm down like when we approach it. But it's not like me couldn't like say certain things, say, you know, hurt your back if you talk to me a certain way. Me can. But me just try over the years to have self-control over certain things. Because me used to be so dark and full in a brother. Used to be dark and full.
got me a man, me a couple of argue one day. Don't really say argue, but it's like not really. It's not a fighting argue, but it's like them a talk and they say them a talk about some fights with them did that before, like a couple of weeks before.
Right?
And like the man I say, like the woman I say, you shouldn't drive a weapon. You shouldn't drive a weapon. It's like the woman are overpower him, a weapon him up a jar and stone for win the fight.
Okay.
Like the woman I say, you shouldn't drive a weapon. If you never drive a weapon, you couldn't whatever, or you couldn't lick me or you couldn't win or what. You have to drive a weapon.
But now sometimes I can't get aggressive enough. I can't get real aggressive, but it's just not my kind of thing. But I can't get real aggressive.
If a woman and me have to drive a weapon for her, for fight, to beat her, for fight, for win. And not a matter of a win fight or lose fight. I mean, I have a war thing still and the fighting, but
And then I war thing.
I bug up a woman earlier where remember me actually have to stand up on my foot certain way. And you know, if you see where me bug up on a woman where she have like up on there for bad me up on. Me is not a soft soap a woman will bad me up easy, but it's a woman out there bad enough. It's not gonna work. Me no smoke, but say no smoke. Me smoke 1 or 2 cigarettes for the day. Me look she had a smoke all a pack. If you smoke 1 or 2 split for the day or 3 split for the day, she had a smoke all a pound if she get the chance. Me no live on that. Me cut down because no man have to overdo me.
Nothing say woman for smoke, but if that are your choice, It's not healthy. Woman
Nobody know
for
for
man
smoke.
not for smoke. Thank you.
Nobody know for smoking.
You actually agree with me.
You have other ways that you can consume get weed. You don't have to smoke weed. You can cook with it and get the same effect. Or even better effect from it.
Yeah, me would cook with it, like seasoning in my food, because me say good for a lot of things.
I make all tea with it.
Make tea with it and so, but if you smoke it, hell to the no.
Smoking no good in general for your lungs.
That no good. All the people are suffer from lungs cancer right now and them something like just the main fact that the smoke go through your system and I go down no good to you. Get shorter breath and all them things.
You used to smoke cigarette, you know. Yeah, I used to smoke cigarette. I stopped smoking cigarette in 1999.
You know, say, I tell the people them say, we're going to do a video how we met. No, we not do that.
No, before the time.
Because I really want to tell them how. Oh, you like to me saying you're not smoking. You know?
We never lied to you. You say something not smoke? I
Yes.
don't smoke.
You tell me say you're not smoke.
When?
You
You just
know.
know you?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yes, you did.
Because
Yes,
remember
you did.
sometimes they come down the road and see them and say, we just don't smoke.
No. I would have never, ever talk to you. No. Me first tell you say.
Sweep
Me
you
not
off of your
like
foot,
man
man.
with no. Me not like
Sweep you
man
off of
with
your
smoke.
foot. Anything,
We're not gonna go into that
anything we
conversation.
come in, you'd have to just... You
The
wouldn't even,
conversation
you wouldn't
is
even
stop it.
realize that I have a bad habit there.
The
We love
conversation.
just take over your whole head.
You're right.
I stopped smoking cigarette 1999. Never put back another cigarette on my mouth. Not even for,
99?
yeah. Not even for light it for somebody.
But that should be it, you know.
For my birthday. I stopped for my birthday.
You said that's it. No more. I'm
For
done. Okay. You knock me up on my feet now, baby.
Me? Me?
Ooh, my head red like a fire. Fire dash right in there. Chocolate tea.
Eat two dumplings before you sleep, before
That's okay.
breakfast ready and so.
You're full.
I've been struggling, I know, but
No, eat no more.
yeah, she does. You hear what me just say? I encourage her to not eat no more. Yeah. You know, when the woman with the struggle and she just make trip back off a dumpling and just clear it up, so I clear it up and I go hard way more than me. I don't feel like a punk. So my woman I eat all 3 plates of food and me can eat half one. What's that?
Lord of God.
If we go out, if you have a drink, and you look in front of her, you see her 10 beer back up pile up.
And you have one.
In front of me, a 3.
No, sir. When we go out
I want to go up on the dance floor.
me I mash you down.
No, it's a mash down car,
But I mean, if you mash you down,
Yeah.
when you go up and dancing now, that is a different thing. You're not
Right.
supposed to mash me down on the dance floor because me a woman.
Right.
Dancing of a woman. A woman for mash down man on the dance floor.
Right, I mean, I agree.
But when it come on to man kind of thingy, like drinking up the liquor and them something, as me take a little sip so, me feel tipsy. Me just need 2 little sip.
We go up on the dance floor now and we have dance. When I talk about them kind of dancing, I know, because back way, I see people are dancing now. Women are turning back way and I stand up behind them, man. We do it, but me hate it. I hate to go on now, because if you stand up in front of a woman now in a young people party, they laugh after you, know. And you stand
But when
up,
we used to go Ken's pan weekend, remember when we used to go Ken's?
yeah, get in the front way dancing, like that.
Back way dancing too, man. For a long time back way dancing not going.
No, but it never dominates, huh? But I love the front way dancing in my car. So much things go around the back. Much a woman dance and all that wine and them, the music I play loud. You don't really want to squeeze off all that. You don't really want to fart. You see, I look on a loud fart and just look back on yourself and you think so you hear it.
Oh my God, you're terrible. You're so
And
terrible.
you don't hear nothing. As a man.
You're so terrible. Oh my God.
I like the back way dancing.
You have to go down into the gutter. Ever.
Yeah, party the back of your woman, so back of just the body, so. You know, so. When I look up in her face more while, and rub up on breast and all them lady. Get back. You know, I keep it do it 1 or 2 times, but can't stand it. I remember when I going on a party about a year, 2 years ago, a couple years ago. And I touched my brother and said, look how I see a man and a woman that dance front way. And I said, look over there, sir. You look strange, you look funny. You can't know them 2 people that are old people, you know, people in their age, you know. When you really check it, they're 2 big people in their age. You know, I find two young people dancing now.
Why not? I saw it for go.
I said for guys.
Yeah.
I agree.
I saw it for go. Especially when souls are going and them
Them,
things.
them
Young
people
people
don't
don't
know
want
them
no
souls.
souls. They don't want no souls.
R&B, they know about. And even R&B, I play a back way, same way. Everything I just back way. Back.
The younger generation do things backwards. Different from us. Anyway, guys, we
Especially
are
them
gonna
things
close
backward.
them do things backward.
Close.
I guess so.
Them not take out them clothes first. Them do it and when them done, then take out them clothes.
So we're cutting the video short. So we're gonna say catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.
Peace.
We're out. Love you guys. Mwah. Your beard?
Maybe that go.
Your beard? Your beard?
Yeah, look long so far. I smell like my beard. I'm in a beard. I mean, you're ever fresh.
You're ever fresh. Jeez and peace. You don't have to be it for a whole week and you still smell
Still
fresh.
smell fresh.
I never can smell you.
No,
That's weird.
not carry smell. And like, what? Oh man, can't do a man do, you know, and still be the same person. Yeah.
No, not every man. Not every man. Okay? Not every man. So not even go there, so. When I
That's
said
just fine,
fresh,
man.
me mean mouth.
And body too.
Me mean everywhere.
And body too.
Everywhere.
My soap and rag in my car. And water. More
Please.
time I drive or something, I just stop and bathe.
Don't even go there. Let's do an intro. What's up, everybody? And an interface that. So you have to do. You have to put on an interface.
Oh, it's your face up. Show your teeth.
You can't fake it.
You try fake, but
You can't fake it.
yeah, but
Intro, you can't fake it.
oh, you have to really level like
Level up.
alright, interface.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Donna, and she's back with another video. I saw you do intro. What?
Yeah, the man hurt me.
Lie, I tell you, you don't want to do the intro.
You know, some cats me about that.
No.
That's why they hurt me. Like the more I see,
Oh.
can't
You want to sleep
catch
now? You have to go write this. Papa Jesus. What's up,
Rasta
guys?
Judge.
I would say Rasta Judge.
Are you? You're bad with that.
I done a bad word.
You ain't done it.
I want to go on in a John shop. Rasta Judge. Okay, let's do an intro. What's up, everybody? Sit down. It's your Ajo.
Yeah, I'm
Ajo.
Hey, cut out the tongue there.
I'm gonna do that.